I'm an adult of over 60 years na nidenda alibakuwa kibande. I've been taking my IDs free of charge. I want our children, our grandchildren who attain 18, they must be given their IDs free of charge. We would like Parliament to reverse that move to charge people. Our youth are unemployed. Their parents are suffering under the economic recession that is there. Where are we going to get 1,000 from? This is a scheme to deny the Gen Z the ability to register as voters. We want free ID cards for our youth, and we want continuous registration of voters. Wacha kila Mkenya awe na haki ya kuchagua viongozi. Tunakujua wewe Ruto unaogopa majenzi. Sababu unajua waliongoza wa Kenya kukufuta kazi. Uwaogope usiwaogope, utawapatia ID cards, watakuwa registered.